Southern Illinois University's Aquaculture Research Lab and Illinois Indiana Sea Grant presents the Larval Yellow Perch Culture Video Guide. Module 1, Cleaning and Disinfection. The 5 steps for effectively cleaning and disinfecting aquaculture equipment are clean, wash, rinse, disinfect, and rinse again. Step 1, remove all visible debris and organic material. Step 2, wash with soap and water. Step 3, rinse with water. Step 4, disinfection. First, select a disinfection chemical or compound that is safe for disinfecting aquaculture tanks and equipment. See the Southern Regional Aquaculture Center SRAC publication number 4707, Biosecurity in Aquaculture Part 1, an overview, for detailed information on disinfectants along with recommended concentrations and contact times. After selecting a disinfectant agent, prepare disinfection solution according to the label or industry recommendations. Soak equipment for recommended contact time. Do not take equipment out early. Early removal of equipment from the disinfection solution can reduce the effectiveness of the disinfectant. The SIU Aquaculture Research Team uses bleach at a concentration of 2 to 500 milligrams per liter active chlorine for 10 to 60 minutes as recommended for the general disinfection of tanks, hand nets, and other aquaculture equipment in SRAC publication number 4707. For more information on calculating treatments, read the sections on calculating treatments and special treatments in the University of Pine Bluff's Aquaculture Producers Quick Reference Handbook, MP 435. Generally, chlorine can be neutralized with 7 parts sodium thiosulfate for every 1 part chlorine. Make sure no residual chlorine is present. Chlorine test strips can be used to detect residual chlorine. Step 5. Rinse disinfected equipment thoroughly with water. Cleaning and disinfection protocols are a recommended part of a facility's biosecurity and animal health management plan. Biosecurity protocols are used to reduce the risk of introducing or spreading infections, diseases, or other unwanted agents that can lead to fish health issues. It is recommended to clean and disinfect hatchery and other aquaculture equipment as needed prior to use.